ಶ್ರೀಗುರುಭ್ಯೋ ನಮಃ. ಅಗ್ರೇ ಕೃತ್ವಾ ಕಮಪಿ ಚರಣಂ ಜಾನುನೈಕೇನ ತಿಷ್ಠನ್ ಪಶ್ಚಾತ್ ಪಾರ್ಥಂ ಪ್ರಣಯರಸಜುಷಾ ಚಕ್ಷುಷಾ ವೇಕ್ಷ್ಯಮಾಣಃ ಸವ್ಯೇ ತೋತ್ರಂ ಕರಸರಸಿಜೆ ದಕ್ಷಿಣೇ ಜ್ಞಾನಮುದ್ರಾಂ ಆಬಿಭ್ರಾಣೋ ರಥಮಧಿವಸನ್ ಪಾತು ನಃ ಸೂತವೇಷಃ.
ಓಂ ಪ್ರಪನ್ನ ಪಾರಿಜಾತಾಯ ಸ್ತೋತ್ರವೇತ್ರೈಕಪಾಣಯೇ ಜ್ಞಾನಮುದ್ರಾಯ ಕೃಷ್ಣಾಯ ಗೀತಾಮೃತದುಹೇ ನಮಃ. ಬ್ರಹ್ಮಾರ್ಪಣಂ ಬ್ರಹ್ಮಹವಿಃ ಬ್ರಹ್ಮಾಗ್ನೌ ಬ್ರಹ್ಮಣಾಹುತಂ ಬ್ರಹ್ಮೈವ ತೇನ ಗಂತವ್ಯಂ ಬ್ರಹ್ಮಕರ್ಮ ಸಮಾಧಿನಾ. Bhagavan Shri Krishna concludes Jnana Karma Sannyasa beautifully in this verse. In the forthcoming verses also, he is going to praise Jnanam. He praises Jnanam by glorifying Yajna as Brahma Swarupa. A homa or Yajna has the following prerequisites. There should be a person who does the homa. There should be homa kunda. There should be agni in the homa kunda. Havis is needed for that agni. Doing homa with mantras brings adrishta phalam, invisible results. Yajna includes this adrishta phalam also. All kinds of Vedic rituals are done with expectation of the results. A spiritual seeker may not expect worldly results, but want purity of mind, chitta shuddhi. But for a jnani who has understood that sarvam brahmamayam, everything is consciousness or Brahman only. The jnani in the grihastha perceives all the rituals like Agnihotra etc. as Brahma Swarupam. Adi Shankaracharya has mentioned that for a sannyasi, everything including Agni is Brahma only. Here we can understand that a grihastha jnani, even when he is doing all the karmas, sees them as Brahma. Brahmarpanam. Arpanam means ladle. That is used for offering in Agni. Arpyate anena iti arpanam. A jnani perceives that ladle as Brahma Swarupam. It is not Brahma Bhavana here. It is not an attitude. Brahma alone appears as ladle. This ladle is a manifested form of Maya that is dependent on Brahma. Thus Arpanam Brahma. Next is Havihi Brahma. The offering that is Annam or ghee, which is placed on the ladle, that is also Brahma, a manifestation of Brahma. In the context, Adi Shankaracharya clarifies a very important point. We don't see Brahma in the ladle in the same way as we invoke Bhagavan Vishnu in Shalagrama. Brahma alone appears as Arpanam is the point to be noted. The person who does the homa, he is also Brahma. The hota, he is also Brahma. Brahmana hutam. Brahmaiva tena gantavyam. The result of this homa is also Brahma. Gantavyam phalamapi Brahma. Thus karta Brahma, karanam Brahma, adhikaranam Brahma. Havihi Brahma. Phalam Brahma. Sarvam Brahma. Then Bhagavan Shri Krishna says further, Brahma Karma Samadhina. Brahma alone appears as Karma Swarupa also. Generally, the word Samadhi means concentration of mind. Here it means Jnanam. Brahma Karma Samadhi means Brahma Eva Karma Samadhihi. By the knowledge that Brahma alone appears as Karma, everything becomes Brahmamaya. Thus, This verse clearly shows that Sarvam Brahmamayam, everything is Brahma. Brahmarpanam Brahmahavihi Brahmagnau Brahmanahutam Brahmaiva tena gantavyam Brahma karma samadhina. My prayerful blessings to all of you. Hari Om.
Om